Did I handle this situation the right way?
Hi, Madison. I think one of my white Kate Spade bath towels wasn't returned in my last order. Can you double check for me, please? Absolutely. I haven't seen any extra towels around, but I will keep looking and keep you updated.
4 to 6 days later.
Good morning, Miss Shirley. This is Madison with Fresh and Mobile. I know you brought some lost items to my attention a few days ago, and I wanted to call and follow up to see if you were able to find them since the last time we talked. No, I haven't. I do apologize about this. Like I said previously, I haven't seen any extra articles around it. I'm sure we placed everything back in your laundry bag, but mistakes do happen and maybe something fell out of the bag in the midst of delivering or something else. I do want to apologize again and give you 25% off of your next order. Also, I wanted to let you know that we are introducing a new SOP to ensure that there are no lost items or allegations of lost items. So from here on out, we will be inspecting our customers' clothes more thoroughly after weighing them during our intake process. With this, we will make a checklist where we separate the laundry out and count each item in its respective category. Once we have completed the wash, drying, and folding process, we will go back through the checklist to ensure all articles are there. We also will weigh your clothes after processing is done. We want our customers to be completely worry-free when they use our services, and with this, we will be able to do that. Do you have any questions about anything? No, that's all. Thank you for your time.